This is your boy cat. Products, Uganda.
Yo, what's up, my people? This is your boy Cat Products UG. So as you hear it, that UG, that means that UG from Africa, then into Uganda, and on top of that, I come from UK, the United Kawempe. So without any further delay, today we're going to learn about the After Effects features, the menu, the tools, and what they do. So in this video, I'm going to explain each and every part feature in this program. So there are more programs in this Adobe, but according to my wish, I'm going to first take you through the After Effects. Yeah, I'm using 2022, though there is had the rumor that 2023 is also out. I'm not sure of that, but I have it. But according to me, I'm having the 2022 version. So without any delay, let's go straight to the point. Yeah. So when you open up the After Effects, this is how it looks like. This one. This is the default screen of After Effects, as you can see here. This is the default screen for After Effects when you click on it. So I'm going to first explain you this menu you are seeing here at the top of this After Effects here. Then from there, I think we shall catch up with the other features or the other parts. So we are going to begin with the file or file. What is the meaning of file, and what is the importance of file from After Effects? So let us click on the file of After Effects, and we see. So a pop-up window will show up with more options when some are bolded, or some when they are in the faded color, and other when they are in the normal color, or when the opacity is low. So I'm sorry for the graphic language I've used there of opacity. Opacity means the brightness or the rawness of an image, or of a picture, or a text, or anything. So let us begin with the file, and from the file we are seeing new. So when you are in After Effects, when you click on new, the second menu that will show up here, as you can see on my right hand side, we are seeing from new, we are seeing the new project, the new folder, and Adobe Photoshop file marks on screen for the file. So let me first explain this. I'm not going to talk each and every part. I'm sorry for that. But if you are in need, you can contact me, because I'm available 24/7. So I'm going to explain only, I repeat this, only the major ones in this program. I don't know whether you are getting me, but I'm going to explain only the major parts in this program. Hope we are together right now. So from new, we are seeing new project, and the shortcut for that, it is Ctrl plus Alt plus A. That means that you're going to create a new project that you are going to design from, where you're going to edit from your work, where you're going to input your projects, and so on and so forth. Then from that, under new project, there is a new folder. As you can see here, there is a new folder. What does a new folder means? That after creating a project, there are some pictures or some text or any music file or videos that you would like to group them into one folder for easy accessing them. So from there, you can select them and you put them in that folder you have created. I hope we are together from that. I think I'm done with that. As I've said, that I'm not going to talk each and every part, but I'm going to include only the major parts that we are going to be using in editing our projects. Then from that, under new, we are having open project. Open project, the shortcut for that it is Ctrl plus O. That means that you are creating, I'm sorry, that means that you are going to open that already made project. In case you already made your project, when it is there, you just click on open project. When you click on open project, it will just direct you and asks you where you located that project you want to open. So when you click on open, it will just direct you to request you to choose or to select that project you have already created before. So that is what it does. So under open project, we are seeing what we call the open recent. Open recent, this is what it does. So the open recent just helps you to open the top 10 from the setting. Not only the top 10, you can also add on other open recent projects. You can also supplement it like 20, like 15, of your choice. But according to the default, it has the top 10 recent open projects. That means that what does this open recent does? This is what it does. So the open project just helps you to open the 10 previously created project from After Effects. As you can see here, these were my top 10 projects I was using, or I edited from this program, as you can see here. I see. So that is the use for that. Just helps you in case you want to open your 7th previously project. You just click there and it opens. So I think I'm done on that. Let's skip that one, the browse in bridge. We shall look that one, I think, further. We are having cross. The shortcut for that, it is Ctrl plus W to cross. What does cross means? A cross means to close, as you see it, that close, to close that project. So I mean that to close that project you are editing or you are designing. Okay, in short terms, this is what it means. When you click close, it just closes that window of After Effects, period. When you click on that one, it just closes the window. I think we are together on that point. So under cross, we are having what we call the cross project. cross project, this is what it does. It just helps you to cross the project you are editing or you are designing. In case, for example, you are designing animation and you realize that I think I'm fed up with editing. Why don't I make any simple bouncing text? Then you just click there on cross project. It just crosses that project you're doing and it directs you to this default screen, the screen we saw at the first. So under the cross project we are seeing this one, save. This save, it is in the faded color. The reason it is because we have not yet created any project from After Effects. Let me pass out this point here. I'm sorry to say this, but according to my wish, not anybody's wish, some things or some features in this program, I'm sorry, I will use my local language, which is Uganda. I will use it where it is necessary. I don't know whether you're getting me. I've said that in some programs or in some explanations, I will use a simple Uganda where it is necessary. Hope you understand that. As I was still explaining that these faded options from the file, these ones, the likes of the save, revert, likes of Adobe, dynamic link, they are in the faded card. The reason why we have not yet created any project for them to function, that is why they look like that. So under save, we are having what we call the save as. What does save as do? Save as just helps us to save our project according to the file extension of our wish. You may say that I like my file to be as the XML project, as you can see here. You may say that I want my file to be read like as an Illustrator file, something of that kind. I hope you are together with that. You may say that I like my project to be read as a PDF. Hope we are together on that. Then from that, I think we shall not look upon this one. We shall see it, okay? But right now, we are not in that mode. According to me, we are not in that mode. Let me jump that on and also do it on the revert. Let me skip that one. Let me talk about the input. What does input does? So this is what it does, the input. Input just helps us to input the files that we are going to use in our project while editing and designing anything from After Effects. So for example, you may say that I like to input my audio song in After Effects. You just click on input and you choose a file or multiple files. Are we together? You choose file or multiple files to choose that. So when you click on file, it just directs you to the place where you want to remove that file from. But when you click on multiple, it just enables you to pick randomly either video, either audio, anything of any file of your choice. This one just helps us to do that. Then from the library, again, in case you want to remove from some folder and you direct it to After Effects, and then there's that option that to input the Adobe Premiere Pro project. Just click that one to input the project that you created from Adobe Premiere Pro. Just choose that one. So and the likes, I think this one we shall not talk about them. Let me skip that one. Let me go to the input the recent footage. Input the recent footage. This is what it means. So to input the recent footage, this one means that to input the top 10 recent input inputted footages, the likes of the audios, videos, pictures, and so on and so forth. So it means that to input those recent used footage from After Effects. Are we together on that? Let me jump straight to the export. So I want to pay attention on this. When we are creating anything from After Effects, in case we want to see our video after editing that video, we want to see that video we have created from After Effects, we don't just come and we say save as. No, that is wrong. I repeat, that is okay. It might be right, but according to me and my specific features on my computer I'm using right now, I'm using a Dell computer with i3 and the speed of 3.8 gigahertz. So and the hard disk, it is 250 GB. So according to me, it is small and it is not enough on that program. So when I click on save, it is also right, but as a short video for like 1 second in After Effects, when you click on save, it just saves that short video. It just saves that video as any format of your choice. For example, you may say that I like the JPEG, the MP4, I like the VOB, so on and so forth of the video extensions. It saves that video in a big quality format. For example, a video of 1 minute, it may contain like 500 MBs, and I don't think so that is good for you on your machine. Just imagine, assuming you have created a video of 10 seconds. You want to be in like 15 GBs. I think that one, it is somehow bad, and it is expensive to be on your machine. So without any further delay, let me explain you again this one. So after editing, I repeat this one. I'm sorry for the further explanation. After editing your video from After Effects, you click on export and you direct that export. As you can see that when you click on, even just when you point on export, it just directs you to this second menu here. Then from the menu, you click on add to media encoder, that one. So when you click on that one, it just opens up another program of that After Effects, which is called Adobe Media Encoder. So that means that after installing the After Effects, you need to also install this program, the Adobe Media Encoder, but with the theme year. In case, for example, you are using 2022, I advise you to use 2022 of Adobe Media Encoder, that one. Are we together? I will use that one because there are some words when I don't know how to pronounce them. Someone, I think, will help me on that. So I will still explain that. In case, for example, you have installed the 2018 version of After Effects, you also need to install the 2018 version of After Effects. Don't need to install the latest or the old version. When you decide to use 18 of After Effects 2018 version, again, I also advise you to use the 2018 version of Media Encoder. I think I'm done on that. Are we together? After creating our video, we use export. Let me jump straight to as I told you that these ones here, they are in the faded color, or their opacity is low due to me not creating any project. That is the reason why they look like this. These ones, it is the reason why they look like this, as you can see. It is like that because of that issue. We have not yet created any project from After Effects. Then let me jump straight to the project setting. Project setting, from here, it is where you can set up your project. This one, when you click on this one, the video format, the background, the so on and so forth, from here. Then from that, there is another option which is here. I think this one, exit. Exit means to close that window. When you click on this one, when you click on this one, I'm sorry for that. When you click on this one, it just closes the window of Adobe After Effects. So guys, that's what I have for you today. And the next video, we shall be looking upon the effects, edit, this one, the edit. In the next video, I'm going to look upon that one. So thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, I advise you to subscribe, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to leave a like, a comment where you have not comprehended very well. Thank you, and have
This is your boy cat. Products Uganda.